Welcome to Money Mindset. In today's video, we're unlocking the power of compound interest. How to turn $100 into $10,000. If you ever wondered how your money can grow exponentially over time, this video will explain the magic behind compound interest and show you exactly how to make it work for you. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. The power of compound interest is often referred to as the most powerful force in wealth building. It's a concept that's both simple and transformative. When you earn interest on your initial investment and on the interest that has already been added to that investment, your money grows exponentially over time. For many, understanding how compound interest works can be the key to unlocking financial success. With this principle, turning $100 into $10,000 may not only be possible, but achievable with the right approach. Below, we'll explore how you can harness this power and the strategies you can use to reach your financial goals. 1. Understanding compound interest, the basics. At its core, compound interest means that you earn interest not just on your original principal, but also on the interest that has accumulated. The longer you leave your money to compound, the greater the effect becomes. In contrast, simple interest is only calculated on the principal amount, meaning it grows more slowly. Compound interest, however, grows at an accelerating rate, creating a snowball effect over time. This exponential growth is why compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. 2. Time is your greatest ally. One of the most important factors in benefiting from compound interest is time. The longer you allow your money to grow, the more powerful compound interest becomes. It's a common saying in the world of investing: the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. If you start early, your money has more time to compound, leading to bigger returns down the line. Waiting even a few years can make a significant difference in the final amount. 3. Regular contributions amplify growth. While compound interest does work with a one-time investment, regularly adding more money to your investment can significantly amplify the effects. By making periodic contributions, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually, you're consistently increasing the principal on which interest is calculated. This means your investment continues to grow at an even faster rate, speeding up the process of turning $100 into $10,000. 4. The impact of high interest rates. A key to accelerating the growth of your investment is choosing an account or investment with a higher interest rate. The higher the rate of return, the faster your money compounds. While many people think that earning double-digit returns is rare, it's not out of the question, especially in areas like stocks, mutual funds, and high-yield savings accounts. Even a modest return of 7% compounded annually can lead to significant growth over time. 5. The frequency of compounding matters. Compounding doesn't happen just once a year. In fact, the more frequently interest is compounded, the greater the growth of your investment. Daily, monthly, or quarterly compounding can increase the speed at which your wealth grows. For example, if interest is compounded monthly instead of annually, the effect of compound interest is multiplied, and your investment will grow faster. 6. Starting early makes all the difference. Starting early is perhaps the most effective way to harness the power of compound interest. A small amount of money, when given enough time, can grow significantly through compounding. If you begin investing in your 20s or 30s, the wealth building potential is enormous. Even if you invest only $100, with enough time and a good interest rate, you could see exponential returns. Time truly is your ally when it comes to compounding. 7. Patience is key. Compound interest rewards patience. The longer you leave your money to grow, the more significant the rewards. However, it requires discipline. It's easy to get impatient when you don't see immediate results. Yet, if you are patient and let your money compound, you'll eventually see the fruits of your investment. This is why long-term investment strategies that rely on compound interest often outperform short-term investments. 8. Choose the right investment vehicle. To maximize the benefits of compound interest, choosing the right investment vehicle is crucial. You can invest your money in many different ways. Through high-yield savings accounts, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and retirement accounts like IRAs and 400 and Onex. While some options offer higher risk, they also offer higher returns. The key is balancing risk and reward based on your financial goals and time horizon. 9. Reinvest earnings for exponential growth. To fully leverage compound interest, reinvest the earnings you receive. For instance, if you're investing in stocks or bonds, any dividends or interest payments you receive should be reinvested rather than spent. This creates a cycle where your interest continually generates more interest, and your wealth grows exponentially. The more you reinvest, the faster your money will compound. 10. The $100 to $10,000 journey. A realistic path. Turning $100 into $10,000 through compound interest is entirely possible, though it does require patience and smart investing. For instance, let's say you invest $100 in a fund with an average annual return of 10%. If you leave your investment untouched for a long period, let's say 20 to 30 years, your $100 could grow significantly. While it won't happen overnight, given enough time and compounding, your initial investment can expand into a much larger sum. The earlier you start, the quicker you can reach your $10,000 target, and even surpass it if you increase your contributions and choose high-performing investments. The power of compound interest lies in its ability to turn small investments into substantial wealth over time. By starting early, making regular contributions, choosing high-yield investments, and allowing your interest to compound over time, you can turn $100 into $10,000, or even much more. Patience, discipline, and strategic planning are the keys to unlocking the full potential of compound interest, making it an indispensable tool in building wealth for the future. The longer you let your money work for you, the greater the return you will see. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.